We are celebrating the last 10 years, and which have been very exciting since James Mworia joined the Centum Group as the CEO. During that time, we have seen remarkable performance. If I may mention a few. Number one, the Centum's assets under management grew by more than 10 times fold to 70 billion shillings or $700 million. The second achievement that I can mention here is that the Centum share price grew by more than 3 times fold to about 26, 28 shillings range thereabout. And also, the Centum was able to build the first Kenyan mixed-use urban node, which is now famously called the Two Rivers. It's been an exciting time, and join us as I engage the Dr. Kirubi, who has been the chairman of investment committee during that entire period, as he gives a tribute to James Mworia. My name is Pius Mushiri Mugo, the managing director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. Dr. Kirubi, it's been exciting 10 years, and you have worked hand in hand with Dr. James Mworia. And from where I have been seated, it's been like father and son working together. Very close relationship, very positive energy, positive chemistry between the two of you. And I think that has been probably one of the things that has really fueled the success. What will you remember most the last 10 years when you reflect on James Mworia's reign?
I think one of the things that I have noted and I continue to note in James is his great mind to listen. He listens to what somebody is saying, he analyzes, and he gives back a very thoughtful answer. James is a thinking machine. I'm also very proud of James when he was made the Chancellor of Machakos. I took him to Machakos, we went together, and everybody said, there is the father and the son come to take over Machakos University. And it was a great occasion. Very near there, we had a technical school we had sponsored, we still sponsor today, which used to be Coca-Cola plant. And James and I have continued to think alike, to work for the same purpose, to work for the people who put their shilling into our business, to think what can we do to make them more wealthy. I feel very responsible that you trust me with your money, or you trust James with your money. We have to make sure we make a difference. And there is no crime that an African should not be wealthy. Many people think an African who is wealthy must be stealing. Maybe he stole money. Many Africans have a mind, they would like to invest. And therefore, I think of James as a great partner who has walked with me. We have never thought in any different way about the idea of what we want to invest in. Maybe the timing factor, I would tell James, let's do it today. He says, maybe can we wait for tomorrow or something? Looking at cash flows. I believe, and that's why I'm saying better things still to come. I have recovered from whatever challenges I had in my health, and James came to see me in America twice. He flew there to come and just see me and consult with me. And therefore, I believe the relationship has even got more deeper together. We continue to think alike. We are seeing a lot of opportunities in Africa today. When we invested in Two Rivers, everybody said that is a bush area. Why are you going to the Napier grass? Because that's what the land was all about. And to be honest, we opened that Limuru side of the road, and we have made many millionaires over there. You know, Rwaka is one of the most expensive area you can buy a piece of land. This is because of our action. And we now look at what we're doing in Kilifi. We're going to make many people very wealthy.
Yes, that's
and
true.
We are making cheap houses available to ordinary people. I think some of the prices from 3 million shillings or 2 million shillings is unheard of. And therefore we are looking forward to work with many Kenyans. We hope that James will always be there with me. I can't imagine him not being there. And we continue to work together and work with people like you, Pius.
Yes,
you've been instrumental to our financial investment. Because who has been entrusted with the wealthy fund of some countries in the world today except you? So to me, I think we must work together. We must listen to each other. And we must make sure that our investors get what they deserve. And therefore I pray for good health of James and his family, and we continue to consult, to work together, and to continue to employ good people. We have over 100 people who work for us today in that company. So let's hope that Centum will continue to be one of the leading lights in Africa.
Dr. Kirubi, I think what I've just heard you say is that James Mworia has been a great guy to work with. He's a great mind, a great thinker, a great listener, and a great human being. And I hope, James Mworia, you are listening. Thank you for watching. If you want to listen to more of the tributes to James Mworia, please refer to my videos or video series with James Mworia, and there will be a lot more to inspire you about this great man called James Mworia. My name is Pius Mushire Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.